Before you commence the assembly process, we strongly recommend reading PDF instructions thoroughly to familiarize yourself with the assembly process and to check that you have the correct components. We highly recommend that any assembly be carried out on a flat, level surface and use another person to assist you if necessary. Take one of the wooden slats with pencil lines and pre-drilled pilot holes. Then take 6 structure planks and align them with the pencil lines. Screw them all together using the provided wood screws. If decking frame supports are used, they can be concreted into the ground as shown, or used as supports on uneven ground, with slabs to prevent subsidence if necessary. Remember that it is essential to accurately set the posts out so the frame can be attached with longer green screws. On both options, the use of a spirit level is essential to check that the posts and the frame are still vertically and horizontally. Once the frame is securely attached to the posts and you are satisfied that it is level, cut the post tops off flush with the frame as shown. Important. After securing each timber plank with wooden screws, measure the diagonal on both ends so that they would be equal. Lay the decking strips on the frame, running them across the joists. Space them out, using the provided spacer, so they are evenly distributed and running parallel. Fix each strip into place with 2 wood screws down both edges, and then wherever the decking strip meets a joist. Now attach the edging strip to each side using 2 wood screws at each end as shown, and then further pairs of screws, evenly spaced along its length,